we have learnt range, quartile deviation, mean deviation in measures of dispersion. And now the last one we are going to learn standard deviation. తెలుగులో స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ ప్రామాణిక విచలనము అంటారు. So standard deviation is the square root of arithmetic averages of squares of deviations measured from mean. So తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి అంటే ప్రామాణిక విచలనము అంకమద్యం నుండి తీసుకున్న విచలనాలు అంటే డీవియేషన్స్ అన్నమాట. విచలనాల వర్గముల స్క్వేర్స్ వర్గముల సగటు యొక్క వర్గమూలాన్ని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అన్నమాట. వర్గమూలాన్ని ప్రామాణిక విచలనం అంటారు. ఓకే, సో అంకమద్యం నుండి తీసుకున్న విచలనాల వర్గముల సగటు యొక్క వర్గమూలాన్ని ప్రామాణిక విచలనం అనవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ is denoted by the small Greek letter sigma. దీన్ని సిగ్మా అంటారు. ఓకే, స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ is a measure of degree of dispersion of data from mean value. It is static that tells us how tightly all the various values are clustered around the mean. అంటే మీన్ చుట్టూ అటువైపు కావచ్చు ఇటువైపు కావచ్చు గుమికూడి ఉన్న దత్తాంశాలను స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ తెలియచేస్తుంది. A large standard deviation indicates that data points are far from the mean. ఎక్కువ సైజులో స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వచ్చిందంటే మీన్ కు చాలా దూరంగా ఉంది అని అర్థం. అదే స్మాల్ స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ చిన్న సంఖ్యలో ప్రామాణిక విచలనం వచ్చిందంటే మీన్ కు చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉంది అని అర్థం. ఇక కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ కు వచ్చిందంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిలేటివ్ మెజర్ ఆఫ్ డిస్పర్షన్. Actually, it relates standard deviation and mean deviation by expressing standard deviation as a percentage of mean. Okay, it relates standard deviation and mean by expressing standard deviation as a percentage of mean. Okay, this is a unit free measure and is in percentage form. Thus the formula is coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. So standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100 is equal to covariation. Okay, right. In the investing world, the coefficient of variation allows us to determine how much volatility risk we are assuming in comparison to the amount of return one can expect from an investment. Okay, in simple language, the lower the ratio of standard deviation to mean return, the better the risk return trade-off. My dear students, we are going to do problem in individual series through actual mean method. Okay, there are two methods. One is actual mean method and another one is assumed mean method. Watch this video carefully. Thank you. Okay students, let us learn standard deviation in individual series through actual mean method. Okay, so the formula to find out standard deviation is, so this is the symbol sigma, symbol for standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation is equal to square root of summation x square by n. Okay, right. First you have to calculate arithmetic mean. In direct method. Okay, or you can also calculate arithmetic mean through assumed mean method, but we will do that later. Okay, first we are going to do standard deviation in individual series through actual mean method. Okay, so after finding out arithmetic mean, you have to find out deviations of various values from mean value, and you denote it as x. Square the deviations and obtain the total it, and denote it as summation x square, summation x square, and apply the formula. Apply the formula means this one. Okay, so now the data has been given here. Compute standard deviation from the following data of income of 10 employees of a firm by taking from actual mean. Okay, so first we have to find out arithmetic mean. What is the formula to find out arithmetic mean? You know, okay. So the formula to find out arithmetic mean is summation x by n. Okay, summation x means if you total all these, that will come. Okay, so 122 up to 200, what is the total you get? You get 1500, right? So this is the total. So this is equal to summation x, 1500. And how many persons are there? There are 10 employees from 1 to, so 1 to up to 10. So there are 10 employees. So that is, so 1500 divided by 10 is equal to, that comes to 150. So arithmetic mean is equal to, 150. Okay, so 150 arithmetic mean minus x, that comes to how much? Okay, arithmetic mean is more than 120. So here minus 30, here minus 50, here plus 10. Okay, and here minus 50, plus 70, okay. This one minus 20, this one 0, plus 20, 0, plus 50. These are the values you get. That is, you are finding out the deviations, isn't it? So next is square these deviations, means you have to 30 into 30. So here you have to ignore all the pluses and minuses and just square them. 30 into 30 is equal to 900. Isn't 900, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, 100 into 100 is equal 100. So here what is the difference? 50, no? 50 into 50 is equal to 2500. 10 into 10, 100. 50 into 50, 2500. 70 into 70, that comes to 4900. 20 into 20, 400. 0. 20 into 20, 400. 0. 50 into 50, 2500. Okay. So when you total all these, you will get 14,200. This is denoted as summation x square. Summation x square. So here squaring deviations and obtaining the total. So this is 14,200. Okay. So now you have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean is standard deviation is equal to square root of summation x square by n, isn't it? What is summation x square? That is equal to 14,200, isn't it? Divided by n is equal to 10. So you will get square root 1420. So when you square it 1420, what is the amount you get? 37.68. 37.68. So this is the standard deviation. Okay, this is the standard deviation, right? So coming to coefficient of variation, already we have the formula, isn't it? What is the formula for finding out coefficient of variation? So here it is. Okay, so the coefficient of variation formula is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. Okay, standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. So we are going to do that also, coefficient of variation. So the formula for finding out CV means coefficient of variance. Okay, so standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. What is standard deviation? That's 7.68. That's 7.68. And what is arithmetic mean? 1500. 1500 divided by 100 is equal to 50. 150 into multiplier 100. Okay, students. So, what is the coefficient of variance? Standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. Okay. So, when you divide that 7.68 with 150 and multiply with 100, the answer you get is 25.12. This is CV. That's all, my dear students. Please watch this video carefully until you understand, and after that you practice the problems at the end of the video. Thank you so much.